When you take a look at Mike's impact since he's come back, is there one thing that stands out for you that's made the biggest difference? Maybe, you know, off the court, on the court, little things?
Well, it's the numbers obviously speak for themselves.
Yeah.
It's leadership. It's his will to win. It's his the fact, and Mike is not going to play perfect, but what he does do, he competes.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, he is going to compete to a fault sometimes where one thing he is never going to give up. And so it's those things. Confidence, I think, like all great leaders, they let their teammates know everything's going to be okay.
Yeah.
You know, we're going to be okay. And I think really over the last game, I really liked in the game against Baylor where some of his teammates helped him because he got to a point where he had made a couple plays that weren't real good plays.
Yeah.
And Julian Lewis said to him, "It's okay. We got this." You know, and that's what you look for. Those are the subtlety things. But Mike is a guy that every day he's going to bring it. He's going to do it. And but it's all of it. It's not just one thing. It's everything that you would expect from a point guard.
All right, let's break it down. The subtleties and also some of the more obvious things that Mike brings to this team.
Well, another thing here now with DeMarcus and out there with him, you know, he's a guy. DeMarcus right here is not afraid to get out there and defend like Mike does that obviously. But right here, see Mike right here, just step in right here just a little bit. And DeMarcus does a great job here where he stays in the play.
Mm-hmm.
He doesn't quit on the play where right there a lot of guys, and early in the year we'd have guys get beat and stop or this guy
and
would rotate.
Beat, it's over with,
yeah.
right?
And then, so that's where the value of a guy like DeMarcus Holland comes in. Connor now is right there. Poppy's starting to come to the ball. Little subtle things like that. But now Mike's there. Now watch this. He comes back. Great contest. I mean, that's a tough guy to guard. Shot goes up, and right here, again, Cam gets it. We come up with it. Mike right there getting on, everybody going down to get it. We come up with it. Look how Mike really comes out of there quick. Again, Poppy, great play there. But again, that's where Mike a year ago, now he has really improved here. Look how he takes right here. He gets the angle. Talking about getting fouled. A year ago, he would have bailed out.
Yeah.
He's the defender's not in legal guarding position. He does a great job dropping his shoulder and putting the guy in jail. And look at his concentration.
Putting him in jail, huh?
Yeah, putting his right here. Look at his concentration right there. Great job, great finish.
No bailout. Yeah, I heard you talking about Mike. His concentration at the rim.
Yeah, that was good. He at times
has that gotten a lot better?
Yeah, because earlier he was missing some layups, and last year you think he missed some layups where he goes in where he was waiting to try to make a clever play as opposed
TJ
to
Ford pass.
Just make the play. You know, and right here, again, ball is inside, and you see where Mike is. Here, he's looking. Poppy does a good job.
How much do you want Mike cheating right here?
Well, you got to realize who he's guarding. He could be over a little bit more. We'd like to see right here, who is that? I can't quite make that. Who's that?
It's Connor Lambert, and that's DeMarcus.
DeMarcus could be over, but again, they're guarding some guys that can shoot. Again, Cam, great job right here by Cam. Now watch this. And look at these two guys now. Watch them react. They both are, looking.
Mm-hmm.
Now they both see that he's going to pivot back this way, and look how, here he comes. See, look.
Yeah.
Because he has to pass it there. This guy's out of the play by the way he's pivoted.
One of his three steals on the
Mike
game.
Knocks it loose. Connor comes and gets it. That's the plays we tell Connor. See, you got to come up with that ball. Early in the year, we lost a lot of balls like that.
Yeah, you know, and I want to ask you, because there were a lot of, it seems like, loose balls, and not only just grabbing rebounds that get knocked up, and then it's a scramble on the ground. How do you work on that in practice?
Well, that's
I've seen you guys working on it.
Yeah, right there. Again, that's being in a hurry. Just get the ball.
Okay.
Quit thinking about just secure the ball. You get the ball, then you make the play. And we've done that, like you said, on a lot of rebounds, loose balls, but we came up with that one.